friend address, the first of all, I have to know your address. Then you are having the address of your friend. That is called as what? Double pointer. Okay. So double pointer is saying that one pointer contain the address of another pointer. Okay.
I don't understand what you're saying. Can you please repeat it?
So let me display this program, how it is, how actual it means. This one is called as the double pointer, like pointer P2. It contains the address of P. P hold the value number. So P contain the number. Then P is having P address contain the P2 address. Suppose it's you. You have the address of your friend. It's me. So I have the address of yours. You have the address of your friend. So through you, I got your friend address or friend contact number. That means you have the address of one value, means your friend. I have the address of yours. So through you, I got your friend. Okay, by using of
Okay.
P2 pointer, I got the value of your friend. Okay,
Mhm.
is it clear?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, it's clear.
Now I am showing the program how it is actually working. Let me open the Visual Studio.
Hello. Can you please give me 1 minute?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm back. Continue, please.
A minute. मैं उठता हूँ ना. It has opened now. Now I will show the how the double pointer is working. Now let's check here this program. So here I define a number, int number is equals to 50. Then now I define a pointer. For defining a pointer, we're using star p. And if you want to print a double pointer, then double star p2. So it is a double pointer that we're using. Okay. Then p is equals to number. So we're passing a value here. P is equals to number. Then p2 equals to ampersand p. Okay. So now check here. It is a one pointer that I have defined int p. Then here another pointer I have defined int this p2. Then in p we are storing the address of a number, ampersand number, means that value is stored in the p. Now in p2 we are passing another pointer value, address of p. Okay, address of number is 50. Then in pointer 2 it store the address of another pointer. Okay, it's just like that. Int p is one pointer. It contains the address of the value 50. Now another pointer I have defined, that is p2. It contains the address of the pointer P. That means this 50 is your friend and this P is you. You have the address of your friend. Now P2 is me. I have the address of yours. So when I have the address of yours, that means P, you have the address of your friend, then ultimately by P2 means me, I will access or get the address of your friend, that is 50. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now I run the file here. Check. First, address of the variable. Address of the variable is this one. Means actual where your value 50 has stored. Then address of P variable is this one. Okay, so P variable. The P variable P means it contains the address of 50. Then value of the variable 50 is, so it is showing you the value of the variable. If you write star P, it is printing you the value that is present in the P. Then address of the P2 variable is this one. And now it's showing value is 50. So it has what? Double pointer concept that we're using. Let I send it to you. Element, if you want to print the elements, then now we are using here 0 int I is 0. As you know that array is stored in the form of a index number. So when you store the value in an array, for getting the value from an array, we are using the array index number. So array index number is starting from 0. So 0, so it is notifying you P plus I. So int pointer value that we are passing here P is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Now it is showing you the value 1. Now I value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 5. Condition is true. Now P value is 0. Pointer value is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. It is printing you now 2. I value is increment to 2. So it is printing you the value 3. So in this way it is printing you all the value.
Okay.
Now check. It is showing you the printing the array element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the element it is showing you. Okay.
Mhm.
The element that we store in the array, it is printing you all the elements.
Okay.
Then we come to the C programming string operation.
Okay.
A string can be defined as the one-dimensional array of character terminated by the null. The character
Okay.
array or the string is used to manipulate the text such as word or sentence. Each character in the array occupy one byte of memory and last character must always be 0.
Mm-hmm.
The terminator that we're using /0 is important in string since the only way to identify where the string ends. The string means it is a combination of character. Okay, so combination of character is called as a string and one character is called as a letter. Okay, the string can be defined as one dimensional array of character terminated by null. Then the character array or string is usually it is used to manipulate the text. For manipulating the text, we're using string. Suppose when I want to store your name, suppose your first name.
Okay.
So how many characters are present in your first name? How many letters are present?
Sorry, what can you repeat that?
First name, first name.
String.
So your first name is what? Sri. How many characters are present?
3.
Okay. Now I want to store character NA. So your letter is what? Your character letter is 3. So how many character I have to give? So I have to give 3 size. But here you have to store the size is 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 4 value you have to store. Okay. Be-
Okay.
because by default what happened when you store this value automatic it will take a one null value, one extra space it will take in. Okay, so that is called as your what we can say it contain a one null value here, the character na 3 then null value. Okay,
Okay.
so string is just like that, it will take the value as well as a null value. Then when you define a string as character s is equal to 10 and character s10 is implicitly initialized with a null in the memory. There are two ways to declare the string in C language. One is by character array, another is by string literal. So in the two way we
Okay.
can define by using of character array or by using of string literal. So difference between the character array and string literal is what? So when there are two main difference between the character array and literal, you need to add the null character at the end of the array by ourselves. Okay, suppose if you want to print a hello, okay, then you add a null value here. Okay, so when you print here character string hello, Okay, so it is printing you what? The another value. Okay, like HELLO. Okay, so it is a string array. But here, if you want to store a character array, you include a one null value here. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the main difference. So in variable we define HELLO, but automatically it is contain one null value. So address is stored in this format: 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Then null value. It is a character array. When you store the element, so the character array, it is contain one null value. So what are the various operation you can perform by using of string? One is string copy, S1 and S2, string cat, it is concatenating the string len, which is getting the length of the string CMP, which is used to compare the string CHR, it return the pointer to the first occurrence. Okay, then string and string, it is return the pointer to the first occurrence. So now see that string copy means you have to copy one string to the another string. The first we have to discuss about to get the length of the string. Now check here. So we done the file here. Okay, so it is getting you the length of the string. Okay, see there. Here we store this word in the form of a string. So it is showing you the string length is 7. Another we pass in the form of a character array. When you pass the same thing in a character array, you include a null value here. Then it is giving you 7 here. Okay.
Mhm.
Then now we're using the string copy method. We have to copy one string to the another string.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Now here we're passing the two string. One is string one, another is string two. In string one, we're passing C programming. In string two, it is we're not passing anything here. Now we're using string copy. We have to copy the string from one string to the another string. Okay, so strcpy method is used. So if you notice here, we're using strcpy. So this method is used to copy the string from one string to the another string. Then puts method is used what to display the string. Okay, so now you run the file. Mhm. So it is now it is printing you the string 2. Actually, this C programming we have stored in the string 1. By using of string cpy, it is copy that string and it is printing you here. So puts string value. Okay.
So why did you put in no matter.
Yeah.
Never mind, never mind. I just figured it.
Then we're using string cmp method. So what is the work of cmp? Return value and marks. So when your string is return you 0, if the both the string are identical, it is return you 0. It is negative if the ASCII value of the first unmatched character is less than second. Then we're using a positive integer if the ASCII value of the first unmatched character is greater than the second. That is a positive value. So return value of string cmp that we're using 0 if the both the string are identical, negative if the ASCII value of the first unmatched character is less than second. Positive integer means if your first unmatched character is greater than second, means if your first character is greater than second, then it is return you positive value. If your negative when it is written, if you compare the two string, if the second value is greater than the first, then it is called as a negative. Then 0 means if the both the string are identical, that is 0 we have passed. Okay, now here we're passing the string cmp function. Okay, so it is showing you first is 1 and next is 0. How? We're passing the three string. In string 1, we're passing A, B, C, D. String 2, A, B, capital C, D. String 3 is A, B, C, D. So if you notice here, string 1 and string 3 is equal. String 2 is unequal. The result equals to string CMP. We compare the two value. If string 1 is compared with string 2, that is return you 1 as because uh, string 1 is a word in a higher place. If you compare with the string 1 with the string 3, the string 1 and string 3 are equal. So when both are equal, it return you 0. So here it is printing you 0 if both are equal. Okay.
Mhm.
Excuse me.
Mhm.
Then we're using string str cat function. The cat function concatenate the destination string with the source string. Concat means it is joining the two string. So if you notice here in the character string 1 we're passing this is, and in string 2 we're passing learning how. The
Yeah.
string cat if we're passing, so it is joining the two string. The string concat string 1 and string 2.
Okay.
not showing. It is used for string concat. strcat string 2. Okay, it's showing you this is learning hub. Means this is concat with learning hub. So it is printing you this is learning hub. Okay.
Excuse me, I have to go.
Just I send this
I have another.
and I just send this
Yes,
code.
it's 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Okay, sure.
you go now.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
It says you have bad internet on my screen. Just say low internet connection.
What?
It says that there's bad internet, so nothing. I'm just talking.
Hmm.
Bye.
Bye.